in this class you have made use of a function also. So it confirms our definition that class is a collection of functions and attributes. This is the class with two attributes, length and breadth, and one function, rect area. Now let's come to the main function. Here you are making an object R of rect class, right? So what will happen, this R object will get this L and B initialized to value 8 and 5, and will also get this rect area function. That is, this R object can call this rect area function as well. Let's see how. Area written is r.rect area. So control will come over here. Now what is this self? See, when any object invokes any function, it sends itself also as a first parameter in the function. So this self refers to the object which has called this function. R has invoked this rect area function. So this R is sending itself to the function. So this self is pointing to R. Return rect.l, that is the length attribute of the rect class, that is 8, into the B attribute of rect class, that is 5. Can I write here self.l into self.b? Obviously. While running we'll see to it. Okay. So let's copy it. Area written is 40. Can you see it? Now I'll replace this rect by self. Self means the R object itself, and R has been assigned this L and B. Right. Now I'll run it. See, area written is 40. Can you see it? Now one thing more. What is this class variable meaning? See, class variables are those attributes which are shared by all instances. Does it mean that if I make another instance, I am making another instance S, will it get these attributes and a function? Yes. So there are two copies of attributes and function. One copy is assigned to the object R, and another copy of attributes and function is assigned to the object S. Both will not interfere to each other.